How to change language on Spotify. If you're trying to change your language on Spotify, you first need to head over to the app and make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see, everything right here is in English for now. So if you want to change your language, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Once you are on the menu section, you're going to have to find settings and privacy. Now you can either directly search for app language here, or you can find it on this option, content and display. It might be different if you're using an iOS device, but the idea is the same. Now click on the app language from here. Now click on continue. Now from here, you can select any language that you have available from here. So let's say if I want this to change to this language right here, I'm going to select it, and if I go back, as you can see, everything now has been changed. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.